Welcome to WorkMerk Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to maintain residents in the Woods Portal. On the home screen, click the Residents tab. Here you will see a list of all residents, including their name, CareLogic number, assigned check-in template, and barcode number. You can search for specific residents based on a number of criteria, for example, the house in which they live. To view or edit a resident's details, click on the magnifying glass icon. Here you will see all the information about that resident. In this view, you can change a resident's assigned building or their assigned check-in template. If you know a resident is not going to be needing check-ins for whatever reason, you can change their status to inactive. This will prevent the check-ins from showing up on the app for that resident for the next day starting at midnight. If a resident permanently leaves, you can change their record status to archive. To add a new resident, simply click Add New, input all of the resident's information, and then click Add. Another view related to resident maintenance is View Check-ins by Resident. In this view, you can see a list of all residents and their assigned check-in templates. Once again, you have the ability to search for specific residents and can click on the magnifying glass to view their information. Here, you can quickly change their check-in template or inactivate the resident for a certain period of time. As shown, it is very easy to search for residents and change their status or their template schedule. I will show how to create a new template schedule in the next video. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this one.